Hey guys, Spencer Kaufman here with How To Video Channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sharpen a pickaxe using the Dremel, a little sharpening stone right here. So you can pick that up in the description below. I'll have a link directly to this stone. In addition, if you want a Dremel, there'll be a link down there as well. Pickaxe, make sure you have safety glasses and hearing protection. And so what I'm going to do is show you quickly how to sharpen it, and I'll go through the proper angle and technique. So make sure you have your safety glasses on. And then when it comes to sharpening the tool, you can see here our edge is very dull. It's expected. You're chopping through dirt and it's going to round over eventually. And so when you sharpen this, some people try to go this way, but it's really bad because you'll end up having too much of an angle and then just rounding it off. So come at it this direction at about a 45-degree angle and pretty much just straight across like this. And you can go back and forth, or you can just stay here and work your way down. But as soon as you get to the end here, then you're going to flip the tool over and do the same thing. You can see here there's no edge right there. The other side had much more of the tool. You can see the Dremel tool practically fit on here, the whole thing. That's how both sides should look. You can see here this side, the edge is so tiny. So we'll need to redo this to be about the width of the Dremel tool and just go straight across. So we'll do that on both sides and show you the finished product. So here we go. I'll get started. Put on your hearing protection. Okay, so you can see here we've got a good edge on this side. Now the next thing we will do is flip it over and take down the back side here, and we need a lot of an edge there. So we'll come back and show you the finished product. Okay, so here we are. This is the finished product. The pickaxe is now very sharp. As you can see on this side, we've really smoothed it down and taken off some nicks. We can't really get these deep nicks without taking off a lot of the blade, which, as you can see, our Dremel tool has lost about 3/4 of the size from just grinding down this one blade. So if you have multiple blades to do, you'll need multiple Dremel tools. Again, link in the description below. And then if you take a look at the other side here, this looks really good as well. As you can see, we've still got those big nicks there. But if you take a look at the blade, this thing is very sharp. You can see there's just a fine little line there, and that's the edge we've put on there. We've got a good groove here and a good groove here, a nice flat area. So that's going to make it a lot easier when chopping with that pickaxe. So I hope you liked this video. Do so by clicking on that like button below. In addition, I hope you subscribe to the channel and click that bell icon to be notified of future videos, because we've got a lot more how-to videos and DIY tutorials on this channel. So stay tuned. Thank you.